like and subscribe to help our toy builders finish the job.
Look at that excavator go! It's loading up the dump truck now.
Yay, the red dump truck is here. Time to load it up. Teamwork is awesome. Push it, Bulldozer. Watch out. Uh-oh, you knocked over a cone. Up it goes. The blue crane is super strong. Dump it out nice and slow. Whoa, that looks heavy. Roll it smooth, steamroller. That road is looking perfect. A helicopter? Wow, it's dropping glitter cement. So cool. We did it! Excavator, dump truck, bulldozer, crane, steamroller, helicopter.